This video will show you how to manually download and install Call of Duty Legends of War to your Android device if the game is not available in your country. Let's get started. I'm using Android version 9, so the steps may vary slightly depending on your Android version, but the overall instructions will be the same. First, you're going to have to download ES File Explorer from the Play Store. Just search for it and download it. Next, we're going to download the Call of Duty Legends of War APK file. I'll have all of the download links in the description box below. Once the file is done downloading, open it. You may get prompted to turn on unknown sources. Just turn that on. It should be under Settings, then Security. Now press Install. Now we're going to download the OBB file. Again, I'll have all the download links in the description box below. This is a huge file, so it may take a while to download. Just be patient. After it's done downloading, open ES File Explorer. Press the 3 horizontal lines on the top left corner to see more options. Go down to Download. It is located under Local. Now look for the OBB zip file. Long press it so you see the green check mark. Now press More on the bottom right corner, then press Extract to. Select Choose Path and press on the field. Now open the Android folder, then the OBB folder, and the current path should read /Android/OBB. Hit OK. Make sure the path ends with Android/OBB. Now hit OK. That's it. We should now be able to run Call of Duty Legends of War. Let's test it out. In the future, if you want to update the game, simply repeat the instructions. Install the updated APK file and then extract the updated OBB folder into the device's OBB folder. I'll always keep the download links in the description box below updated. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more content like this.